Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-sugar rice cooker. These innovative appliances are designed to significantly reduce the carbohydrate content in your rice, offering a healthier alternative for your meals. We'll go over what makes them special, how they work their magic, and the fantastic benefits you can enjoy by incorporating one into your kitchen routine. Get ready to transform your rice dishes into something truly beneficial for your well-being. First, accurate measurement is key. Use the provided cup to measure your desired amount of rice, typically 1 or 2 cups. Next, it's crucial to rinse the rice thoroughly under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Finally, add the appropriate amount of water to the cooker, following the manufacturer's guidelines for your specific rice type. These simple steps ensure a great start to your healthier meal. Now, let's get cooking. Once your rice and water are in, select the dedicated low-sugar cooking function on your appliance. The cooker will then begin its unique process, which often involves a draining step to remove the starchy water. It's important to let the cooker complete its full cycle without interruption. This ensures the optimal reduction of sugar and perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time. Patience is a virtue here for the best results. After the cooking cycle finishes, carefully open the lid and use a paddle to gently fluff the rice. This releases any remaining steam and separates the grains beautifully. Your healthier, low-sugar rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed. Remember to clean your rice cooker thoroughly after each use, following the manufacturer's instructions to maintain its efficiency and longevity. Enjoy your delicious and mindful meals, knowing you've made a great choice for your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.